Let's imagine you have a spinner with different colors on it. Let's say red, yellow, blue, and green. Now you give it a spin and it stops on one color. A probability distribution is like a magical guide that tells you how likely it is to land on each color. For instance, if the spinner is mostly red, then the probability distribution would say that you have a high chance of getting red. On the flip side, if all the colors are equal, then the chance for each color would be the same. So, a probability distribution is like a friendly helper that tells you the different possibilities for different outcomes when you play with the spinner. It's a way to understand and predict what might happen in a fun and colorful way. So, eventually, you will get a table with different events like red, yellow, blue, and green, and the probabilities, which is 1 by 4 for all of the colors. Now, let's discuss in brief the importance of probability distributions in real world scenarios. Consider the case of coin toss. When we toss a coin, there's a 50% chance of getting heads and 50% chance of getting tails. The probabilities of these outcomes form a probability distribution. Consider the case of weather forecasting. Meteorologists use probability distribution based on historical data and then they estimate whether tomorrow there will be rain or not. Probability distribution have significant importance in statistics, big data analytics, and machine learning as well. If we explicitly talk about machine learning, in classification problems, the predicted outcomes are often probabilities. The probability distribution help express the uncertainty associated with predictions. For example, a model might predict that there is an 80% chance that an image contains cat. Similarly, probability distribution helps statisticians in making inferences about the populations based on the samples. In a nutshell, probability distributions are like toolkit that provides a systematic way of dealing with uncertainty, making them indispensable in various fields, from predicting weather to making data-driven decisions in business and technology.